Today we are looking at the 2025 GMC Canyon Elevation in Rapids Blue. This truck is powered by a 2.7 liter TurboMax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we'll look at are these beautiful jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media and volume control, as well as your controls to cycle that digital gauge cluster screen. Behind your steering wheel, you'll find the controls for your windshield wipers and headlights, as well as your digital gauge cluster. In the center of the dash, you'll find your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Assistant and Google Maps. Below this, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your controls for your heated seats in the front row. Below this, you'll find controls for windows, auto start, lane assist, and aux, as well as a USB-C charging port and a USB-A charging port. Beside your shifter, you'll find your drive mode selector, as well as your parking brake. The center console offers loads of room for belongings. On the left-hand side, you'll find your power controls for windows, locks, and mirrors. To the bottom left, you'll find your toe brake settings. As we take a look at this beautiful Rapids Blue exterior, we can also notice these dark gray painted aluminum wheels sitting on all-terrain tires, allowing for a safe drive on any terrain. Around the back, we'll notice these assist steps on the bumper, allowing for easy access to the cargo bed. We can lower this power-assisted tailgate to showcase the cargo area, equipped with spray-on bed liner, protecting you from dents and scratches. On the right-hand side, there is a 120-volt charger. This cargo bed also can be unlocked for extra storage. The rear seat is split in a 60-40 bench fashion, which means both sides contain a lever that can be pulled, raising these rear seats, extending your cargo area. We can lower this seat to showcase plenty of legroom. The rear seat passengers are also provided USB charging ports and pull-down cup holders. Heading to the front, we can notice that most exterior trim options are blacked out, including this front grille and bumper. And that is the 2025 GMC Canyon Elevation in Rapids Blue, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.